Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 4 power square root of x equals 64 to the power of x. We are solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So the first step will be to ensure that these two bases are the same. So to achieve that, remember 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 to the power of 2. That means we are going to replace this 4 here with 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of this is square root of x. And this equals for 64 here. You have 64 equals the same thing as 8 to the power of 2. That's 8 times 8. And this equals 8 is the same thing as writing 2 power 3. And this is raised to the power of 2. If you have a power x to the power of y, this means you have a power x times y. So you multiply 3 times 2. That means you are going to have 6. So you have 64 is the same as writing 2 power 6. So we replace 64 here with 2 power 6. And this is raised to the power of x. Now, like I said earlier on, if you have 8 to the power of x to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So we can multiply this and multiply this. That means we will have 2 to the power of 2 times square root of x equals 2, or this is 6x, because 6 times x is 6x. Also, if you have a to the power of x and this equals a to the power of y, as long as the two bases are the same, we compare the exponents, meaning our x equals y. So we equate these two, meaning 2 times square root of x equals 6x. So right now, we can decide to take the squares of the part of this equation, meaning that here we are going to distribute this to each of the terms here. We start by having 2 power 2 times. We have square root of x to the power of 2. And this equals 6 power 2 times x power 2. We also distribute this term to each of the terms here. So 2 to the power of 2 here is 4 times square root here. We'll eliminate the square here. We have x equals 6 power 2. This is 36 times. This is x squared. So from here we have 4x equals 36x squared. So at this particular point in time, I can decide to divide this by x, but before then, we can also form an equation right here. That means you have 4x equals 36x squared. We can solve this in two ways. I can divide this by x, divide this by x, eliminate x. I'll have 4 left here equals, this is x power 2 and this is x to the power of 1. When you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m equals a power n minus m. Power 2 here, power 1 here, we can subtract the exponent. We have 36x power 2 minus 1. And from here, we have 4 equals 36x. So to solve for x, let's rearrange this. We have 36x equals 4. We can isolate x by dividing this by 36. We divide this by 36. This eliminate this. We have x equals 4 divided by 36. And to cancel this 4 twice, cancel here we have 18. So to cancel the third ones, cancel here we have 9. So this gives us 1/9. Like I said earlier on, we can solve this in 2 ways. I can decide to form a quadratic equation here. This is 4x equals 36x squared. I can move this 4x over here. Now 0 equals 36x squared minus 4x. So let's rearrange this equation here. I have 36x squared minus 4x equals 0. So right now, I can decide to factor out x from here because it appears in both places. I have x times this divide x, we have 36x because one of it will cancel on this one here. Minus this divide x, we have 4. And this equals 0. So right now, I can equate this to 0. Of x equals 0, I also equate this to 0. Of 36x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals 0, this is correct for this. I can decide to move this negative 4 across this equality sign. It becomes positive 4. I have 36x equals 4. I can isolate x by dividing this by 36. And dividing this by 36. So from here, this eliminate this. Of x equals 4 divided by 36. This cancel itself once. Cancel here we have 9. We have 1/9. So in this particular approach here, we are having two different solutions, 0 and 1/9. So this is how you can actually solve this exponential problem. So we can decide to verify 4 power square root of x equals 64 power x, and x is, we have 0 and 1/9. So let's start with when x is 0. I have 4 power square root of 0 equals 64 power 0. So from here, square root of 0 is 0. So we have 4 power 0 equals 64 power 0. 4 to the power of 0 is 1 here. Equals 64 here to the power of 0 is 1. In fact, any number or alphabet raised to the power of 0 is 1. So guys, this is it. This is how you solve this. Or this is how you verify. That means 0 has proven to be correct. Let's consider when x equals 1/9. You have 4 power square root of x equals 64 power x. So this time around, we are having x equals 1/9. You have 4 power square root of 1/9 equals 64 power 1/9. And if you have square root of a over b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. Applying this right here, you have 4 power square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals 64 power 1/9. So from here, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 9 is 3. You have 4 power 1/3 equals 64 power 1/9. like I said earlier on, 4 is 2 power 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals 64. Like we did earlier on, is 2 to the power of 6 raised to the power of 1 over 9. And if you have a power x power y equals a power x times y, multiplying this and multiplying this, we have 2 power, this is 2 over 3 equals 2 power 6 over 9. 3 divide this, we have 2. 3 divides this, we have 3. So from here we have 2 power 2 over 3 equals 2 power 2 over 3. Now if you have a power n over n, this equals the m root of a power n. So this will give you the cube root of 2 power 2, and this will give you the cube root of 2 power 2. From here we have the cube root of 4 equals the cube root of 4. So this is how you verify these two answers, and this is it. The two answers are proven to be correct. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.